Welcome to 217 Marshdeer Way. This nice 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 2-car garage and side patio is located in the Deer Lake subdivision in Northeast Columbia, just off of Percival Road. It's convenient to I-20 and I-77, Fort Jackson, and Richland District 2 schools. So you can see out front there's a nice size driveway leading up to the 2-car garage, then a walkway leading up to your front porch. The entrance here is covered, and then there's a bit of additional concrete there that continues out. So inside the home, as you come in, there's laminate hardwood flooring right inside here. And then you can see the living room opens into the dining area as well. Window there at the front. You have a sliding glass door that accesses the patio off to the side, and also it's how you get to the backyard. The patio's there, and then you can see the backyard just continues on around there. Kitchen right off the right off the dining area here. I'll just give you a view back towards the other wall, which you can see laminate hardwood flooring in here, white appliances. There's an electric range, dishwasher, and a refrigerator on this side, window looking out over the backyard, natural wood cabinets, and then a pantry to the left of the fridge here. Your master bedroom is also down on the first level, right off the living room. So you have a ceiling fan in here, faces the backyard. You have a large closet that runs sort of the length of this wall, 2 sets of bifold doors to access it, and then you also do have a second closet here, smaller one. Attached full bathroom, single vanity, commode, and a shower and tub. And a medicine cabinet there as well. The other bedrooms in the home are, of course, upstairs. You also access the garage from right off the living room here as well. Water heaters also in here, as are your washer and dryer connections. So you have washer on the left side and dryer there. Then there's a shelf above. And you also have a half bathroom mainly located down here as well, off the living room. Single pedestal sink and commode. Then on up to the second level. So 3 bedrooms up here and a second full bathroom as well. First bedroom's right off to the right. It's the larger of the 3 up here. Has a ceiling fan, 2 windows facing the front of the home, and on the opposite wall you have your closet. Second room here, also with the ceiling fan. This one faces the side. You can see there's also a closet here on the right that it accesses. There's a door. The story behind that in just a second. And then you have your attached full bathroom here as well, so accessible from this room and also from the hallway via this door on the other side. You have a medicine cabinet and single vanity in here, and then sort of a smaller kind of rounded garden tub and shower. And then if you pass through the closet, these were 2 rooms actually share a closet. So you can see sort of at the end of kind of a long hallway or alcove off of this bedroom, but it does open up into a normal full-size bedroom, decent ceiling height in here, and then accessible also, of course, from the hallway. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, this is 217 Marshdeer Way in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.